Dr. Stockwell.
Sit down. Russell, this is very interesting. You forecast an earthquake in a 3 to 4 point range this morning. We had an earthquake in the 3 to 4 point range this morning. I'm impressed.
Thank you, sir.
However, isn't it rather slender evidence for predicting a catastrophe?
Sir, these are based on this morning's signals from those stress measurement instruments that Dr. Adams sank during that experimental well project. They indicate another pre-shock, probably before noon today.
And if it happens?
Then the big one follows in 48 hours, at least 7 point. Now, naturally, if that second minor shock doesn't occur, then it just proves that my computations are based on insufficient evidence. But I think we have a strong...
Russell, you are still a graduate assistant. Are you seriously contending that a graduate assistant will be the first scientist in history to pinpoint a major earthquake within 48 hours?
No, sir. But I am following through on Dr. Adams' theories and the probability curves that he drew up. But I feel that I've been on the project...
Dr. Adams is on a field trip upstate.
I sure wish he wasn't.
Thank you, Russell. Now, leave those. Fiona, I want some figures run through the computer. And try to get Frank Adams for me in Fresno. Yeah. Morning, Sam.
Want us, Stu? Listen, you still refuse to handle the Bill Cameron job unless he upgrades the specifications?
Absolutely.
Okay. But you're going to have to convince him that those changes are necessary. I could never talk him into anything. Oh, do me one more favor, huh? Don't muck the deal.
Oh, just a moment. Mr. Royce, your daughter's on the phone, 347.
Thank you.
He'll be right on.
Remy? Hello, darling. Fine. Well, I was planning on eating here in the building. Oh, come on in.
No, away from the office. Oh, it's terribly important.
Oh. Oh, okay, honey. The Windsor at 1:15? And try to calm down.
Bill, here comes another one. It's in pretty good shape.
Hey, that shot didn't count. No way can it count.
Ain't nothing in the rule book about earthquakes.
It didn't count.
It did.
Hardly ever get two in one morning.
Two what?
Earthquakes.
Another half hour, I won't feel the one that's supposed to knock California into the ocean.
Captain's cooled off. He'll do his damnedest to straighten things out.
I don't want to be a cop anymore. You know, right since the time I was a kid, I figured on cops as helping folks, folks who couldn't help themselves. And all right, maybe that was dumb of me, but that's the way I figured. Folks don't count for a diddly. Do they?
Cut it out. Cut it out.
Take it easy now. Call you home later.
Sure, man.
Good shot counted.
Bobby Ring.